Okay, so recording also started. Let us start now. So the heading is flat calculations. Okay, so first we need to prepare the DBR, guys. So what is DBR? DBR stands for design brief report. Design brief report means specifying what are the things which you are going to take it for your flat as an input calculation. So I'm writing as a design brief report. Design brief report. So now first it consists of serial number. The next is description. Next make. Okay, wattage. Then technical specifications. I'm writing something like in a shortcut. Technical specifications. The next is, yeah, that's all about the technical specifications. I'll merge these two things. Oh, no, not the technical specifications. It's a L output, lumen output. Okay, and MF maintenance factor. So and any okay. So first is serial number 1. Description, I'm going with FL. So whether you want to take LED and all, if you want, I'll share the catalog of LED and all. You can take that. I'm just taking an FL. So which we had already taken there. So what does it make? We have taken Philips T8 triphosphor. No? So what are the model which we have taken? We have taken T8 triphosphor. Okay. Next, here I'll write as in T8 triphosphor as in here. T8 triphosphor. And here next the wattage we have taken is 36 watt. The lumen output was 3350 and the maintenance factor was 95%. Okay, the same when you're going with the next one, we have taken T type CFL cool white, whatever that it may be, you'll write the technical specifications there. Cool white also. So we had taken some 13 watt and where the lumen output was 900 no? Is we have taken 13 watt or 18 watt I had taken?
18, sir.
Okay, let me take 13 watts. 900 and 0.8 is the lumen output. So I'm taking this 13 watt example. 900, 80% is a maintenance factor. 80%. Third, let us take the ceiling fan. Havels. Okay, and I'm taking 60 watt. The technical specifications, I'll give the catalog of fans and exhaust fan also at the last step when you're doing for the main project. Okay, so I'm taking some around 600 RPM. The next is fourth exhaust fan. Okay, Usha 75 watt, and here it is 900 RPM. Next, normal sockets. Okay, anchor. So sixth is power socket. Same anchor. The next seventh one is AC, air conditioning, LG. Okay, so here normal socket the wattage is 100, power socket the wattage is 1000, AC 1 ton AC 1400. So here it is a modular type. I'm taking modular type. Then this also same modular type, and here it's a split AC. Yeah, so I just formulated I just put this technical parameters which is required. Okay, now the next one is, the first topic is nothing but lighting calculations. The first topic is nothing but lighting fixture calculations. Lighting fixture calculations. So what are the things we require for lighting fixture calculation? The first is, see, according to the formula, you just put your columns. So serial number first, location. Next, what else we require? We require length and width. So I'm just merging these two things and I'm putting as a length. Then same way, merging these two things. Okay, and naming as in width. Then next, here I'll write as in feet value. Here I'll write as an inches value. The same here also, feet, inches. Okay, then merge these two things, serial number, location. Okay, now I require the L in meters. L in meters. Similarly, W in meters. Okay, next I got the length, width. Then first formula. What is the first formula? Ra is equal to L into B by L plus B into HM. Already L and B is there. L plus B, I'll get it up. Then I need HM. So I'll write as an HM, mounting height. Okay, then after that, to calculate the second formula. Now, what are the second? Based upon the room index, first we need to calculate the CF value. No? So here I'll write as in CF. Okay, CUF. I'll write it up. Next, the second formula. What is the second formula, guys? Second formula is number of lighting fixtures. So for calculating the number of lighting fixtures, we require L into B into lux level. So I want lux. So I'm writing as a lux. L into B into lux level divided by CF already is there. Maintenance factor is already there. Lumen output is already there. Then I want fixture type. As per the formula, I want fixture type. Okay, fixture type. The next. Okay, L into B into lux level divided by CF into MF into fixture type into lumen output.
Okay.
Okay, then here okay, next after the fixture type, what is the next one? Exact number of fixtures. Exact number of fixtures. Okay. Then total wattage. Total wattage. Okay, the first first is location. Location is, I'm writing as a shortcut, guys. Entrance hall, master bedroom. Okay, then after it was T1, it is T2. The next was utility, bedroom. Okay, and the next was dining area, and the next was kitchen. Okay. The next, length and dimensions of the room. The dimensions of the room was
7, 5.
Yeah, if the entrance was 13 feet 8 inches and 12 feet 5 inches.
Yes.
Yeah, 13 feet 8 inches and 12 feet 5 inches. Next is master bedroom, 13 feet 4 inches and 10 feet 6 inches. So 13 feet 4 inches and shit. Yep. Next is how much? 13 feet 4 inches and 10 feet 6 inches. So 13 feet 4 inches and 10 feet 6 inches. Toilet 2, it was 5 feet 2 inches and 7 feet 3 inches. 5 feet 2 inches and 7 feet 3 inches. So toilet 2 also same. I'll just drag this value the same. Next, coming to this one, I taken 6 feet by 7 feet. So 6 feet 0 inches and 7 feet 0 inches. Now coming to the bedroom, 11 feet 8 inches and 12 feet 5 inches. 11 feet 8 inches and 12 feet 5 inches. So 11 feet 8 inches and 12 feet 5 inches. Okay. The next is dining areas, 14 feet 2 inches and 13 feet. 14 feet 2 inches and 13 feet 0 inches. Next is kitchen, 7 feet 5 inches into 12 feet 9 inches. 7 feet 5 inches and 12 feet 9 inches. Okay. Then I got the parameters. Now I need to apply the formula L in meter. What is the value of how you will apply the dimensions? How to put in a formula in Excel sheet? We know is equal to, then bracket open, feet, okay, plus bracket open
0.048.
inches first divided by 12. First we need to be convert that na into 0.3048.
48.
Okay, you'll get in meters. So I got the value total in meters. The same I'll apply for the width in meters. So that is equal to feet plus bracket open again inches divided by 12. Then bracket close, whole bracket close into 0.3048. Okay, so you got in meters.
Sir, that is. Hello.
सर मीटर्स
This is wrong.
हाँ
फीट और मीटर्स में इंचेस में आपने गलत ब्रैकेट सिलेक्ट किया है
हाँ हाँ वही. So feet plus inches divided by 12 into 0.3048. So that is
सर 0.80 नहीं
okay 3.7846. Then mounting height is by default 2.5 meter. I'm taking it up. Okay, now coming to the CF. यहाँ पर और एक कॉलम आएगा ना, रूम इंडेक्स. First we need to calculate room index ना, RA. Okay, so what is the value of, what is the formula for RA guys? L into B by L plus B into HM. So L into B bracket close divided by L plus B into HM. Two brackets open. L plus B into the mounting height value 2.5. So when I substitute it, I got the room index values. So I'll put CF. CF कैसा लेना है फोटोमेट्रिक डाटा में से. तो मैंने यहाँ पर इज इक्वल टू एक कंडीशन लगा रहा हूँ, इज इक्वल टू इफ अगर मेरा आर ए वैल्यू लेस देन और इक्वल टू 0.75 होगा तो मुझे क्या आना चाहिए, वैल्यू इफ ट्रू. इफ दिस वैल्यू इज ट्रू आई नीड टू गेट 0.5. इफ द वैल्यू इज फॉल्स आई नीड टू गेट 0.54. आई एम जस्ट पुटिंग एज एन इफ कंडीशन सो दैट इट विल टेस्ट ऑटोमेटिकली, इट विल गिव द वैल्यू. I put greater than, here it is, less than and here equal to 0. So see here. So when I drag automatically wherever you got 0. below 75 you'll get, because as per the photometric data what was the value? You can put n number of ifs guys. Oh here it is 0.7 ना. तो n नंबर ऑफ इफ. सो अगर 0.75 से कम रहेगा तो 50% आना है, 0.75 से 1 के बीच में रहेगा तो 54 आना है, 1 से 1.25 रहेगा तो 58% आना है. तो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल पुट अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस, आई विल पुट द कंडीशन हियर that if your value is less than 0.75 I need to get 0.5 or else I need to get what is the value, 0.54 no, 0.54.
Yes.
Likewise you can put n number of ifs and nested if, you can put सारा if लगा दोगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली ये रूम इंडेक्स चेंज होगा तो ये भी कैलकुलेट हो जाएगा अपने आप. Okay, next is lux level. Entrance hall lux level is how much? 300. Master bedroom 250. Bedroom, toilet 1 is 150. In the toilet lux level is 150. Toilet 2 also 150. Utility room 100. Then bedroom 220. Dining area 200. Kitchen 300. I've given the lux level already. Now I'm taking fixture type as in 1. I'm going to take a fixture type as in 1 for all the rooms. Okay, now coming to the number of lighting fixtures. What is the formula? L into B into lux level divided by CF into MF into fixture type into lumen output. So is equal to L into B into the lux level bracket close divided by bracket open CUF into the maintenance factor. So now coming to CF into fixture type into lumen output into maintenance factor. So when I take the lumen output, I need to put certain symbol here. Why? Because this is a common, na? Lumen output is a common for all the rights. Na? Yes or no?
Yes.
So to freeze that column, we put a dollar symbol before the alphabet and after the alphabet, because it's a common column. When I drag it up, the column number should not get changed. Okay, the column and row number should not be changed. The remaining all should get changed because each and every room have a different dimensions. But when it comes to lumen output and maintenance factor, wherever you are taking FL, it should be the same value. So to freeze that column in Excel sheet, we have a dollar symbol so that we can put a before the alphabet dollar, after the alphabet also you need to put a dollar and close. Then what happens, it will freeze that value. But when it comes to toilet 1, toilet 2, utility, this rooms we have taken CFL. तो यहाँ के places में क्या करना है अपन को? When it comes to here, what is the CFL का क्या है? E6, column number is E6 or F6. So I'll just simply change for toilet 1, toilet 2 and utility as in 6 number. So what happens, that will change to this one, CFL का जो भी है that will change, and up to 3 only, like toilet 1 toilet 2 utility में ही मुझे चाहिए, बाकी जो room everything is FN. Okay, now 2.75 means it's a 3. Okay, here it's 2. 1.45 means you can take as in 2 also. 2 1. Okay, here it is 2. It's by default on 2. Now coming to the wattage, total load, TTL, total lighting load, total lighting load. So now when it comes to total lighting load, what you will do? Number of fixtures into fixture wattage. So number of fixtures into the fixture wattage. Then again freezing the column, putting a dollar symbol before the alphabet and after the alphabet, enter. Then drag the total, and wherever you have a CFL, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, this places you need to go with the D6. Okay, now adding up the total load is equal to sum of the total load, that is 461 watts. Then just a minute. Total lights load is equal to sum of the total fixtures. Okay, so we got 461 as a wattage, and the total load is 461 for the lighting. Okay, next, the same I'll write it for fans, exhaust fan, and the normal socket calculations. So fans and fans and normal socket calculations. Okay, so now coming to this, we require the same serial number, length, width. Okay, we require this 4 parameters, or if you want only the serial number, location, we want length and width, no? So this one I'll take it up the same way. Then I'll directly take L in meters and W in meters. L in meters and W in meters, what are the value which you had taken there? Or else then is equal to enter, is equal to enter, then drag it up, so that in future if there it changes, here also it will change. Okay, now the next is I want the fans. So what was the fan standards in the last class? We had seen some, if it's a ventilated fan, if you're taking 36 inches or 42 inches or 48 inches, and there is 56 inches fan. So one fan coverage area was standard is given. See, generally when you're going with the thumb rule, as a rule of thumb, not only thumb rule, in the reality also, because as I told you, dead zone, including the red zone, what we do is when you're doing the fans calculation, we take the standard coverage of one fan is 12 meters square as a rough for all the kind of fans. Okay, I'll take as in 12 meters square as in coverage area of one fan. So standard coverage area of one fan is how much? 12 meters square I'm taking. Then coming to here, number of fans, okay, number of fans. So that is equal to, first we need to find out the area, no? Area of the room, area of room, area of the room. So that is equal to length into width. Okay, then here number of fans. So I think 13 we have taken, 13 point something we got it. So we have taken dead zone and that we taken 13. So that is equal to total area of the room divided by the number of standard coverage of area of the one fan. So here exact fans, here also you can put a formula. I'm putting a formula, round off, select this value, comma, 0, bracket open. So if it will be round off the nearest values. So entrance all, we got 1, master bedroom 1, toilet 2, the utility we don't require any more, so it's taken 0. Bedroom 1, dining area also 1, and the next kitchen I taken also. Kitchen also I taken 1. Okay, because 0 point. So if the client doesn't require any fan in the kitchen, we will not put it up. So I just taken as in 1 fan. The next is exhaust fan. So when it comes to exhaust fan, what I told you, with help of that calculator, we'll be giving what it been residential building. We don't do that calculations. I'll give that Excel sheet also. But if it's a commercial building, based upon the volume, if the because if you're going with software companies and all, we have a bigger toilet area. If you're going to the malls and all, we have a bigger toilet area. So at that time, we need to calculate exactly based upon that what do you say, Excel sheet. But here, as it's a residential building, on taking an assumption on a 1-1. So entrance all, we don't require anything. Master bedroom not required. Toilet 1 we require 1. Toilet 2 required 1. So utility don't require. Next is bedroom not required. Dining area not required. Kitchen 1. So I taken this one. Now coming to the normal sockets, what is the standard for the normal socket? Already I given the standards. Entrance all 4 normal sockets. Master bedroom 3 normal sockets. Toilet 1, toilet 2 1. Utility 0. Bedroom 2. Okay, the next dining area 2. Kitchen 0. This was a normal socket standards. Okay, then now coming to the total load. Total load of this. So that is equal to, bracket open, fans into fans wattage. So fan into fan wattage. So again, freezing up the column. See why I'm taking the DBR like this is so that in future for the same layout, if the client says that no, I want different catalog, different light, then if it's just simply change the DBR, the total calculation will be done by automatic by itself, because you only just change the DBR. Okay, plus exhaust fan into the exhaust fan calculation, exhaust fan wattage, plus normal socket into normal socket wattage. Then enter. So I got the total as in 465. Okay, so this is about the total load, which is including the total N by S. Okay, total I'll write as in lighting only, lighting load. So that is again equal to sum of okay. So this is the total load. 1850 is the total load. Okay, which is the total wattage. 1850 watts is the total watt. Now the next is we require the power sockets. We need to know the number of power sockets. The same total power sockets load. Same, I'll take serial number, location. Next is P by S and P by S load. P by S total load or total P by S load. So coming to the entrance of 1 power socket, master bedroom 1 power socket, toilet 1 1, toilet 2 1, utility 1, bedroom 1, dining area 0, kitchen 4 to 6. So I'm taking as an example 5 power sockets. Okay, or let us take 4 or 6. Okay, I'm taking a 4. So coming to the power socket load, that is equal to power socket into power socket the wattage. So here the power socket wattage is 1000. Then again, okay, then I will get the total load, adding up all the total sum of all the loads. This is total raw power load. is equal to sum of yeah. Okay, so this is the total raw power load, which is 10,000 watts. Okay, now I got the total raw power load. Next is AC. So when it comes to AC, we require the values in terms of feet and inches. No? Okay, so I will take this one. Then next is total AC load calculations. Okay, now coming to we require the L in feet, then again W in, then W in feet, W in feet, this is L in feet, W in feet, area in SFT, area in square feet, length in feet, width in feet, area in square feet. Then what else we require? What are the standard coverage area of one fan? 120 square feet. For every 120 square feet of area, we require one fan. So I'll write as standard coverage. Then required TR. Required TR. The next is wattage. Okay, now but one in this we don't require this toilet 1, toilet 2 utility. So I'll just delete that. Okay, and we don't even require the dining area and kitchen. So I'll delete this one. So we require 1, 2, 3 entrance hall, master bedroom, and the bedroom. Okay, so now coming to the length in feet means feet plus inches divided by 12. Feet plus inches, the value divided by 12. Okay, so same here also, that is equal to feet plus the value of inches divided by the 12. Then area in square feet is equal to length in feet into width in feet. Okay, then standard coverage area. What is the standard coverage area, guys? For every 120 square feet of area, we require 1 TR. So I'm just writing 120. So now coming to the required TR. What is the required TR? Area divided by standard coverage. So area divided by the standard coverage area of 1 AC. So I'll drag it up. So now 1.41 means it's around 1.5. Okay. Oh, sorry. Here I'll write this as in separate here. Exact TR. So I'm taking, because below 1.25 will take us in 1, above 1.25 up to 1.75 we take us in 1.5, and above that we'll take 2 TR. So I taken 1.5, 111. So now coming to the 1.5 TR, what is the wattage into 1.5 TR? As I taken split AC, so into 1400. So I got automatically to 100. No, I didn't put a dollar symbol. You see, no. What happened if I don't put a dollar symbol? Because it changed the column. So this is DBR is important, because now suppose the client says that he want window AC. What is the window AC wattage? 1600. So when I put it 1600 here, it automatically changed the values. So because DBR is very important, which is a which is a common for the total. So I'll put a DBR as in separate, so that in future if you're changing the DBR, it should be changed automatically. The only thing is you need to manage, you need to monitor everything automatically done by the Excel sheet, but the only we need to monitor the things. Okay, now the total load is, what's the total load? I'll write here as a total load. So total AC load is equal to sum of this total values, bracket close, enter, 3.5, 4900 watts. Okay, now I got the total, all the loads. Now I need to prepare the total load estimation table. I need to prepare the final load estimation table. So I'll be preparing the total load estimation table.